This is an Alfa UW10 wireless LAN adapter. I am plugging the adapter into the USB port of the PC. After installing the Wi-Fi adapter on your PC, Wi-Fi is not showing up in Windows 10. If Wi-Fi is not showing up in Windows 10 after installing the Wi-Fi adapter, let's see how to fix it. First, remove the Wi-Fi adapter from here. Plug the Wi-Fi adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC. After plugging the Wi-Fi adapter into a 2.0 USB port on your PC, go to your PC. If Wi-Fi is still not showing up on your PC, update your drivers. If you have Wi-Fi, connect an Ethernet cable to your PC for an internet connection. If you don't have Wi-Fi, you can update your drivers from another PC that is connected to the internet. After connecting the PC to the internet, go to the internet browser. Search for Alfa UW10 driver download. Enter the first site. Now select the Windows 10 version from here and it will start downloading automatically. After downloading, now install it. After installing, the PC will restart. After the PC restarts, Wi-Fi will be visible on your PC. Now you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi. Now the PC is connected to Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is not visible on the PC even after updating the driver, then go to the Device Manager. Right-click on the Windows icon. Go to Device Manager. Click on Network Adapters. If your Wi-Fi adapter is disabled from here, then enable it again. Sometimes Wi-Fi is not visible on the PC even after updating the driver, because it is disabled from here. After starting from here, Wi-Fi will be visible on Windows 10.